Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here again with your daily phonics lesson. Today we're going to continue practicing dividing pseudo words, and maybe we'll throw in some real words too. So get paper and pencil ready, or if you have a dry erase board and marker, that is fine as well. Okay, so let's practice. Your job is to write down this word, and then you're going to underline the vowels, and you're going to put the syllable division line where you think it goes. Okay? So, everybody stay with me. Find your vowels, noticing that the E on the end is with an L and a consonant. Consonant L-E. Should be noticing that pattern. And remembering that we're going to divide in front of that consonant L-E. That's where our syllable division line is going to go. All right, so then looking at it, we have closed syllable, tat, and our consonant L-E, bull, a tat bull, tat bull. All right, ready? This time it's your turn. Go ahead. You know what you need to do. Find those vowels. Put your syllable division line. Where do you think we're going to divide this word? If you said bleedle, pat yourself on the back if you got it right. Vowel team. Consonant L-E on the end. Bleedle, bleedle, rhymes with needle. Okay, ready? You should have said. Now, some of you might want to say, oh, that looks like shop. But remember, consonant L-E stays together. Okay, so it's not shop, it's open syllable, show, show, pull, shopel, shopel, pat yourself on the back if you said shopel. Good job. All right, are we ready for another? Okay, you know what to do. You're thinking, find those vowels. Yeah. You've been telling me this, drilling it into my head. Find the vowels, find the vowels. E on the end, consonant and an L. I know it's consonant, L-E, box around it. In my mind, I could put a box around it. And, oh, the other thing jumping out here is I see double P's. I know I have to split that syllable, those words. Two different syllables here. Closed syllable. Consonant L-E. What is it, my friends? Ding, ding, ding. If you said napple, 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 napple. Rhymes with apple. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, what'd you get, friends? If you did that, ding, ding, ding. Closed syllable. O is going to say ah. On, stonbull, stonbull, stonbull. Weird word, stonbull. Okay, ready? Write it down. You should be writing this down. She's trying to trick us. Not me. I would never do that. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, let's look at it. You're finding those vowels, right? You're saying to yourself, she is not going to trick us. Some weird consonants in the middle there, huh? Well, I know TSH is not going to go together. But I know S and H is shh. Oh, Terrible line, Mrs. Walt. You cannot write today. Much better. If you said prut, shag, pat yourself on the back. Closed syllable prut rhymes with nut, prut, and vowel team a egg, shag, prut, shag. Okay, you guys are getting really good at this. I thought you said consonant LE, Mrs. Walt. This is not consonant LE. Yeah, I like to keep you awake out there. Wake up. Come on here. All right, so you're finding those vowels. You know it has 2 syllables because the vowels are separated. So, what are you thinking? If you're thinking we could go a couple different ways, you are absolutely correct. So, I'm going to try it this way. If I sound it out this way, it would be polith. If I decided to sound it out this way, it would be pa. Closed syllable. Polith. Ugh, it sounds weird. I think I'm going to go with polith. It sounds a little bit easier on the tongue, polith. But, of course, if this was a real word, we would hopefully recognize it when we're trying those different strategies. We recognize the word, hopefully. Okay, ready? Okay, very good. I would do this because I know B and Z are not blends. Come to the middle. We've got a closed syllable, plub, and a closed syllable, zim. Put them together, plub, zim. All right. I'm tired of silly words. Let's go to some real words. Okay, we ready? Here we go. Let's see. Okay, you're thinking you're knowing what to do. If you did that, pat yourself on the back. That is correct. Let's read it. Scut, tul, scuttle. If you knew it was scuttle, very well. Good, very good. Scuttle. Okay. What is it, my friends? Sizzle, 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 sizzle. I can hear the bacon sizzle in the pan. Sizzle. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay, very good. If you said new, because O together is usually going to always say ooh, like, ooh, I smell something stinky, ooh. Noodle, noodle, noodle. Very good. If you said divide it there. And let's read this word together, friends. Jum. Very good. Closed syllable. Jum. Bull. Jumble. Sometimes things get all jumbled in my head. Jumble. When I got too many things going on, it's a big jumble. Kind of like a mess. A jumble. All right. Divide it. Double consonants. Right down the middle, we've got a puzz, closed syllable puzz, and a zul. Put them together, puzzle, puzzle. I'm not very good at puzzles. My mother used to love them. I don't really care for puzzles. All right, let's see. Let's throw in some that are not consonant LE here. So that should tell you 2 syllables. 2-syllable word. And if you look at this, remember T and R is a blend. Tur. So I'm going to split it here. We've got closed syllable ac, hard C, ac, s, actress, actress. An actress is a female actor, actress. Usually they just call them actors, but actress is a girl or a woman or a lady. Okay, ready? Oh, this is a funny word. Okay, so hopefully you were thinking, I could try this a couple ways. Mrs. Walt, you're not tripping me up today. Let's go this way. Try it. Bogus. 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 I never heard of a bogus. Let me change it up and go this way. Now it becomes not but o. Bogus. 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 That's bogus, dude. Bogus. It's a silly expression. Bogus. Like fake bogus. All right. Let's see. Got my eyes. A little better there, or my J. Okay, you found those vowels. You know it's 2-syllable types. And you're going to find your consonants. This is the only way it makes any sense, because I know N and J are not blends. So we've got to inject, inject. Sometimes you go to the doctor and you have to have an injection. They have to inject you with a vaccine. All right, so friends, we have practiced lots of words today. I hope you feel like you're getting better and better at sounding out and dividing words that you don't know. Okay, remember, that's how we get good at reading, is by practicing and using those strategies. I hope today you're going to read, and when you come to a word you don't know, you're going to think, Mrs. Walt told me what to do, so I'm going to use those strategies. Find those vowels, find those consonants, look for those different syllable types, and sound out those words. Bye for now. Have a great day.